everyone, and welcome to Luxury Car Info. Today, we're taking a closer look at a car that defines automotive opulence, the 2024 Mercedes Maybach S580. This isn't just a car, it's a rolling statement of success, a sanctuary on wheels, and a testament to German engineering prowess. The Maybach S580 is a masterclass in design. It takes the already stunning S-Class and stretches it to new levels of elegance. The 7-inch longer wheelbase translates to palatial rear legroom, while the overall presence exudes an aura of quiet confidence. Every curve, every line, whispers luxury in a way that only a Maybach. But the true magic happens inside. Stepping into the Maybach is like entering a first-class cabin on wheels. The finest Nappa leather adorns every surface, enveloping you in comfort. The panoramic sunroof bathes the cabin in natural light, while the state-of-the-art infotainment system puts everything at your fingertips. And then there are the rear seats. The rear seats, reclining like thrones, equipped with massage functions, heated neck warmers, and individual entertainment screens, they redefine rear seat luxury. But don't be fooled by the Maybach's luxurious demeanor. Under the hood lies a beast, a 496 horsepower twin-turbocharged V8 engine that rockets this land yacht from 0 to 60 in just 4.1 seconds. Yet, even at full throttle, the cabin remains eerily quiet, a testament to Mercedes' exceptional noise cancellation technology. This is a car that can effortlessly devour highways while cosseting you in plush comfort. The 2024 Maybach S580 isn't just about luxury, it's about being at the forefront of automotive technology. From the augmented reality head-up display that projects information onto the windshields to the semi-autonomous driving features that take the stress out of long journeys, this car is packed with gadgets that make you feel like you are driving the future. The 2024 Mercedes Maybach S580 is more than just a car, it's an experience, it's a statement. It's the ultimate expression of luxury, performance, and technology. If you're looking for the pinnacle of automotive achievement, look no further than the Maybach S580. What are your thoughts on the 2024 Mercedes Maybach S580? Would you choose it over other luxury sedans? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.